Good afternoon, Facebook friends and family. Jen and Sean, Paradise Exclusive. Yes, I know. You see what I'm looking at, don't you? Well, let me explain something to you. The other day, this amazing company, XtraMile Restoration, our property that happened to get damaged from a rainstorm out of nowhere, and it took the kitchen roof down. It did, all the way down. Like, all the insulation, everything's gone. Are you ready for this? We are closing tomorrow on the property. 2 weeks. This man and his team worked so hard. Kevin Grooms and the XtraMile Restoration team, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. My single man seller is ever so grateful for you. Thank you, and if anybody's looking for XtraMile, what? There you go. XtraMile, 941-236-6366. Jen and Sean, Paradise Exclusive. Thank you, Kevin. Bye.